I'm here at Aspen Manufacturing. We're going to talk a little bit about drain management and actually connecting drain lines to the coil pan itself. This is a dedicated horizontal coil. As you can see on this coil, we have two openings right here where you connect your plumbing for your drain. Where the white plug is, that's going to be your primary drain, and where the red plug is, that's going to be your emergency drain. And so we have openings actually on both sides. So you, depending on which side you're going to plumb from, you just leave the plugs in, obviously, the side you don't want to use. But taking these out, I just simply use a common screwdriver, stick it into one of the slots, unscrew each one. I'll do the same thing on the primary side. These are no longer necessary. You can throw those away. Let's talk a little bit about drain management. It didn't take me long to realize that water won't flow uphill, especially when you're talking about a gravity drain, unless you're pumping it. And in this case, we're not. So you want to make sure that when you run your drain lines, whether that's the primary or the emergency, that there's a little bit of a slope to it. I'd prefer it not to be level, absolutely not uphill, but put a little bit of a slope to it when you can. It doesn't have to be a lot, but it needs to be some slope, certainly better than level. And put a P-trap in your main drain line. That is extremely important. Actually, it's necessary if you're going to be pulling air through that coil. If you're pushing air through the coil, it's not quite as important, but when you're pulling air through that coil, you must have a P-trap. People normally put a P-trap even if it's a positive airflow, but it's completely necessary if you're going to pull air through there.